All right, on the way home from church today, I swung by and picked me up a couple things from the Dollar Tree for lunch. One is this Fast Bites Spicy Chicken Sandwich. It wasn't what I was looking for, but I picked it up anyhow. I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute. When you take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. And you stick this whole little bag in your microwave. After nuking it for 90 seconds on my 1100 horsepower microwave, this is what it looks like. And I'm about to eat it, and I might add a little ketchup to it. Now let me tell you, instead of ketchup, I put some honey mustard salad dressing on mine, and I think that greatly improved it. The bread was very chewy. The chicken was spicy. You know, the breading on it was spicy. And it had some flavor, but I think the most of the flavor came from the honey mustard dressing. You didn't get any chicken flavor at all. But it was relatively filling. And if you're hungry, like I was, I guess this would do. For $1.25, you can't beat it at McDonald's. I like this better than that cheap chicken sandwich they have at McDonald's. You know, I think they sell it for $1.25 now. And so if you need to grab something quick to eat and got access to a microwave to nuke it in, you'd be better making the trip to the Dollar Tree than you would to McDonald's. I will rank this at about a 4 on a scale of 1 to 10. All right, that about does it.